happy Monday morning, and I have 4 awesome projects to show you that are going to be in the Frosted Gingerbread class kit starting today. I'm going to put out a new host code on our Facebook page here, and then also on my website, so that you can that's really got a lot of glare there, doesn't it? I'll move that. Maybe it won't be so glary. So on my Facebook group, and then on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. And this is going to be available through the 15th of August. And you'll get everything you need pre-cut, pre-scored for you, with a minimum $40 retail purchase using my current host code that can be found on my website. And then it ships, I can't remember, I think it's the 17th or 18th of August that this kit ships out. And then we'll have 4 Facebook Lives, 1 for each project, and then I'll post them on YouTube for those who don't have Facebook. So we'll be using the Frosted Gingerbread stamps, and you can see mine are pink because I've been using the red ink. But this is a fun set. This has so many possibilities. You can Google Stampin' Up! Frosted Gingerbread, and you can find all kinds of projects. And it's just beginning, because as people start using this set and posting pictures and videos, you'll just be able to go crazy with this and do all kinds of fun things. And then these are the dies, the gingerbread dies. They have a star, a bell, an ornament, and a piece of snowflake. So there's the snowflake, and then here's the ornament, the bell, and the star. So let me show you the projects. So in addition to that, you're going to need three inks. Try to keep it simple for you. You're going to need real red, which you probably already have. You're going to need garden green, which you probably already have, and then cinnamon cider, which you might not have, but you definitely want to get because it's a really nice, like, gingerbread color. And those are the 3 inks that you're going to need. Now I'll be posting a new host code today, and then I also email everyone the host code and the what you need for the projects with the numbers. Now you can't order this set until tonight or tomorrow morning, actually, at 3 a.m. Mountain Time. At 3 a.m. Mountain Time, you can start ordering the Frosted Gingerbread bundle and anything else you want from the new mini catalog. And I don't have it handy to show you. Oh, yeah, I do. Let me grab it. Okay. All right, so this is the new mini catalog. You can start ordering from this catalog starting, like I said, tonight early morning. It's really morning, Tuesday morning, 3 a.m. Mountain Time. And also, in addition to the mini catalog, it starts our celebration. And celebration goes through the 30th of September. So for every $50 that you order retail before shipping and tax, you can choose an item from this little brochure. And I can't show you the inside until tomorrow. But there's lots of goodies there. If you look at the front, there's counting sheep, delicate dahlias, in your words. There's some snowman paper in there that you can get. So if you're looking to get the snowman bundle, the not dice, but the punch, then you'll definitely want to get, as your free gift, you'll want to get the paper, the snowman paper. Okay, so great, Pat. I'm glad you love it, because I love the gingerbread. I love it more than I thought I would. to be honest. Okay, so let's take a look at these. These are die cut. They look like cookies. They have some little gold, it's not really twine. It's not really string either. I don't remember. Trim, I guess is what they call it. And then it says, Happy Holidays. You're the icing to my gingerbread. And then you can write a little something in here. So I thought that was darling. That was my first card. Second project was this box here. On the back, it says sending you peppermint kisses. I thought it would be fun to put red and green peppermints in here. So that's why I did red and green peppermints. And then I haven't sealed it up yet because I need to put my goodies in there before I seal it up really good. But you'll get one of these. Oh, thanks, Pat. And then the third card project was this card here. And I wanted to put some embellishments on it, but I didn't want something that was going to like take away from the beautiful bells. So I put some clear diamond shaped embellishments there. And then I did get this, Hope That Your Busy Year Comes Together in Christmas Cheer. This set doesn't have a lot of sentiments on it. So, I mean, it has a wishing you a Merry Christmas, which I used on the front. So I needed something I could put on the inside. I could have put Happy Holidays, but what I did is I pulled out a set I had from a couple of years ago. It's still available. There's a punch that goes with it that punches out a tree. It's the Perfectly Plaid, and I used this. It also has a beautiful Merry Christmas too. So if you have this set, or you might want to get this set, or you might want to get something else to put in the inside of your cards. Like I said, this one says, hoping that your busy year comes together in Christmas cheer. But it also says, may this special season be wrapped in love and joy. So, yeah, I'll just show you the inside here. You can see the trees. And then there's a punch that punches out the trees. So that's a really nice set. Perfectly Plaid. Don't have to have it to do the class, but, you know, it's nice to have something. And then fourth, I did this morning. You're the icing to my gingerbread. And this is done with die cuts from the set. And that's a stamp. That's a stamp. And then it says, wishing you a Merry Christmas on the inside. You're the icing to my gingerbread, wishing you a Merry Christmas. So these are 4 awesome little projects. I hope that you'll be excited to do them. And like I said, it's free with a $40 retail purchase at stampinup.com when you use my current host code. Available on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. All right, thanks for joining me, guys.